In this video, we arrive in Cape Canaveral, Florida, our first stop in the United States. We have some crazy things happening, including a water rescue and dragging anchor. Watch the drama unfold. Off in the distance, Cape Canaveral, Florida. This is our first entry into the United States, and the great thing with being a U.S. citizen is you just get on the CBP app and enter your information and submit it, and within 5 minutes we got a response back saying we are approved, no need to go to the customs office. So we are going to put up our American flag.
Yeah, America.
We have a hitchhiker. Look at that cute little bird. Okay, little bird, we're okay with you hitchhiking, but not indoors. Leave. Go on, there you go. So 1, 2, 3. We're just passing 1, then 2. It's almost at the very front. Yeah, that's what I'm going for.
There's no fishing in the approach area of the lock. No fishing in the approach area of the lock. North side by the pylons only.
The yoga mats protect our downwind sails from the seagull strikers. Such an incredibly proud moment. We are finally back in the U.S. after being away for 7 months, and it was so exciting to raise the American flag.
We are back in the United States, and the first place you go to, not Waffle House, not McDonald's, but we are going shopping. Walmart.
We're at Walmart, and we are so excited to be back in the United States again. Best place to shop for everything. We have not had selection like this in 7 months.
Craig.
Like I said, it's so great to be back in the United States. This is what $400 buys you at Walmart. Is awesome.
we are back on GoTFO.
Welcoming my sister Lynda to GoTFO.
Yay!
Yay!
Prost!
On GoTFO, we provide everyone with a cloth napkin. And what you do is take a safety pin, fill it up with any beads of your choice, and you put it on the corner of the napkin, and that's how you know to identify your napkin. So like,
Oh, cute.
there's Dennis's napkin, and there's my napkin.
Oh, nice. Well, that's a good idea.
Three, two, one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yeah. Hurry, come up. They're still on the surface.
After 7 months on the boat and at least 7,000 miles, Shatsy's front yard has been really beaten up. So I'm making it smaller because we were folding it in half. So now we have half. I cut off all the junk that was messed up. And then I used Dennis's old shoelaces to wind it onto the netting. And then I'm using this cording to do the rest because the shoelaces didn't cover it. And this, if you don't have one of these little butane lighters, they're fantastic because here we are in wind and it works great. You're not burning your fingers trying to cup it to burn ends. So I'm just weaving it in like you can see right here.
Shatsy loves her new front yard. Now she has total access to it. It's not constantly flipping off. And we are loving not having to go forward and get splashed and fix her front yard all the time or have lines catch on the clamps. Boy, a lot of work made someone very tired.
Yay.
Oh, you got the water out!
That's your boat.
Yeah, we saw you guys riding really low in the water. I was like, that doesn't seem so good.
I'm yelling at them and it just keeps going on. I'm like,
And I'm facing the other way, and I said, I'm facing the other way because I don't want to see this.
no, I need to watch my demise.
Because you know you're going.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Okay.
Yeah. Any problem with being on YouTube?
No.
Your sunglasses on, nobody will know who you are.
No. We know, we've been on a marooned island. Of course we look like hell.
You look great. Sunglasses hide everything. Yeah, we'll get stuff.
We just rescued from
There we go.
Do that all over again like you just...
So what's your name?
My name is
Tricia, nice to meet you, Dennis.
Dennis. It's very nice to meet
And you look like a Mary to me. This is Lynda.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
for what you guys did.
And I'm Ann.
And thank
Yes,
you, Ann.
yes, yes.
Thank you.
We were in knee-deep water screaming for our lives that we were drowning.
We were I was in the front. I witnessed it. They were in the back, oblivious to everything.
And you stood up.
And I'm like, I get that bucket.
Yeah. We recovered everything though, and then the boat's being towed by another friendly boat neighbor. not the time to have your sheets up. We almost lost them. Dennis is thankfully braving the rain and getting our sheets off.
Here comes Wet Dennis.
I got my shower.
Woohoo! Look how dry Dennis is.
I hope we're not sticking. No, you're right. I needed more speed. Okay, we're going back to where we were anchored.
Sure.
Okay, I don't know where boats are. Why don't you get laundry down real quick?
You're fine with that, Roots.
Okay. So go back to our old spot.
Yeah.
Out here, other depth is working. 5.8, 5.6. Almost ready to drop anchor. I'll wait till you're ready. So we have more depth. Where anchor shade got me? Yes. Oh, did I lose my yoga pants? Aww. Oh, so we can get up with the dinghy? Alright, I'm getting them with the dinghy. My yoga pants? They're
Yes.
floating. Go swim, Lynda.
Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna go a little bit more forward. I swear I heard something.
I hear thunder.
Yeah, I mean, this is probably a good spot.
Yeah, but I'm not into the wind anymore.
Yeah.
I'm trying to turn us into the wind first.
Alright, go back up.
7. It should be 13 to 16, so I don't know why it says 7. Okay, I'm gonna drop anchor. Or you're gonna drop it. Yep, ready. Okay, 30, 40, 50, no, 47, 48. Okay. Oh yeah, I see it. Bridle's on. Okay, you're doing the swoop. Lots of swoop. So I'm bringing us into the wind. We shifted. Oh, I'm telling Lynda as well. Okay, want me back down now? Did we have enough swoop? Backing down. Okay? Okay. Alright. Swoop looks good. I'm going to go back to chart. It could be further forward, but we'll just keep the thing on and keep an eye on it. 6.6. Now our depth thing works over here. Alright, so are my yoga pants retrievable?
We have to get in the dinghy. Well, that was exciting. Come all the way from Cape Town to Cape Canaveral to drag anchor. I I don't know how short of a depth we got to, but
4 feet.
4 feet. Yeah, so we're pushing it. We only had like a couple inches to spare.
Yeah.
That's what you said. Oh, fuck.
What?
You have to put a peeler on the grocery shopping list.
You dumped the peeler?
I had to dump the peeler.
Aw.
And it does not float.
I lost my sure smile eating and it dropped off. Can't find it anywhere. Looked all around. And then, oh, he's looking at the rock. I'm like, oh, can you lift this up?
Here they are.
There they are.
1, 2.
Woohoo, yay!
Now, dare you
Mystery
stick 'em in your
solved.